Truck trouble. Number 100 is a speedster, and he likes to be useful. One day, Sir Topham Hatt came to see him. "You are to shunt some troublesome trucks with coal. You may not be strong enough to move all of them. There's 12. You might need help for another engine," said Sir Topham Hatt. He reached the trucks. When he tried to move them, he couldn't. Number 100 got frustrated and banged the trucks, and the one number 100 was coupled to lost a buffer. The trucks were cross. "How dare he treats us like that," said the trucks. They had a plan to get back at him. They pulled him fast down a hill. "Stop!" cried number 100. "Please stop." Up ahead there was Sir Handel. Number 100 tried to brake, but it was too late. Number 100 was damaged. Sir Topham had arrived. "Number 100, your frustration has caused confusion and delay. You will go to the works to be mended," he said sternly. "Sorry, sir," said number 100. He had been rescued by Orange the Crane, and Thomas and Percy towed him to the works. "I don't want to work with troublesome trucks anymore," said number 100. "Oh, do I feel silly?" And he certainly did.